Here is a video on how to replace Volkswagen Passat B7 high beam light headlight bulb in 6 easy steps. 1. Open the bonnet to reach behind the headlight. You need to remove that rubber indicated with the red arrow. You don't need to remove the headlight just to replace the high beam light bulb. We did that only for you to understand more clearly what you have to do behind the headlight. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Two. Remove the rubber cover, pulling it out. 3. Take the light bulb out. 4. Disconnect the cables from the light bulb. 5. Passat B7 is using a H7 light bulb for high beam that you can find it in the video description below. 5. Connect the cables back on the light bulb and insert it on the headlight. You have to place the light bulb exactly in the same way you removed it. Six. Put the rubber cover back and then close the bonnet. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comments section.
If my video was helpful, please like, comment and subscribe or send me a super thanks.